welcome to the Isle of
Wight.
Isle of Wight, yes.
Kit's not concentrating because I'm on a pier.
Kit's on a pier. So
like
she's a bit worried. We're at the Isle of Wight, folks. We're at the Isle of Wight. It's 30 years since we were last here. We came here 30 years ago on bikes then as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, long before the challenge started. But look at this. Isle of Wight, folks. Look at this. Brilliant. You alright, Katie?
Nobody told me I'd have to be on a pier.
Katie doesn't like piers. She hates piers. We've got a hovercraft out there, guys. If you can see it there, just coming in. Pretty cool with the English flag on the front. Very cool. So yeah, it was 30 years ago when me and Katie last came here. Long time ago. I was how big? Yeah, I was only that big. I was only tiny. I mean, we were in our 20s, weren't we? We were in our 20s when we came down. But it was a long time. I can't remember, can you? Yeah, we pedalled around the other side of the island, if I remember right. And then we went on a pedalo, and Katie lost a watch, didn't you?
Yeah.
She had a Swatch watch with where the face popped out, and the face popped out in the water, so we're going round and round circles trying to get the pick the watch up again. So we're here right on the shorefront of the Isle of Wight, and we've just stopped here to get a coffee and maybe a bacon sandwich. Has to be done, doesn't it, guys? Has to be done. Look at that beach, guys. Look at that. That is a nice looking beach.
Nice beach.
So over there, in the distance, that's England. Right in the distance there. We're abroad, Katie. We're cycling abroad, folks. It feels like, I tell you. What a beautiful day as well. It must be about 24, 25, Katie, what do you say? Thereabouts? Something like that easily, maybe it's more. Maybe it's more. And it feels even hotter actually. That wind is really warm wind as well. It's absolutely lovely. Beautiful. There's Katie Holly in it. Enjoying it, Katie, so far? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you a fan of the Isle of Wight?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
We seem like half a mile.
Yeah. Yeah, we've only gone about half a mile or something like that, but it's very, very nice. It's not many cars around, is there? No. That's one thing I've noticed straight away.
Maybe in this height of the summer.
Well, possibly, yeah. It's definitely less cars. Yeah, it's definitely less cars than on the mainland, that's for sure. And it's absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
It was from like a million miles away.
How pretty is that? Do you think you're broad, Katie?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're broad. Beautiful, isn't it? Some kind of little castle thing going on here, guys. I don't know if it's a folly or what it is, but it looks pretty impressive. So it's a watchtower, did you say?
Referred to as a watchtower, part of the estate attached to a mansion named Appley Towers. It was intended to be a vantage point to watch activities on the Solent and to entertain guests.
Oh, right.
Over the years it's had many different uses, but from 2015 it stood empty and was fallen into disrepair.
Pretty good outlook, Katie.
2023 National Enterprise secured funding for its restoration.
Pretty good outlook out there, look at that view. Look at that view.
I'll have to put my feet in the sea today.
How are you doing, Catherine?
I'm absolutely loving this.
Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it?
I feel as though I'm a million miles away from home.
Yeah, it's very, very nice. Very nice. Yeah. At the moment we're just heading through a park. I mean, Katie, some kind of park we're going through.
Hookpool Park.
Hookpool Park. There we go, we're going Hookpool Park. Just around the edge of the island here. It's probably hard for you to see, but that's England over there. Because that's the, what do you call that spire, Katie, in the distance there?
It's the Spinnaker.
Spinnaker, that's it. That's at Portsmouth, isn't it? Yeah, right in the distance. Right over on the horizon there. We've just stopped here, guys. We've just stopped at some kind of World War II fort, I think it looks like. Bit of an embankment here, and I think there's a gun emplacement. Yeah, just behind that tree there. You probably can't see very well. So we've got a gun emplacement here. Look, must used to be some kind of gun here, I would say. Maybe the shells came out of there. Maybe, and I guess I don't know. Put the shells up here. Maybe put them in the gun. Just a guess. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Pretty impressive. Must be a big gun. Very interesting. I do find World War II history very, very interesting. So yeah, the water's just down here. So this would have looked out across the water. I bet them trees probably weren't there neither. So we had a good view across garden, the sea.
I don't like the noise.
There's Katie being silly. We found a swinging thing to play on, guys. Got a cargo ship up there. Yeah, it's a big cargo ship that. Probably looks small on the camera, but it is big. And we're still heading around. What's it called, Katie, this route? Seaview, is it? Seaview. Yeah, Seaview route. Seaview route. I don't know what it's called that for, I have no idea what it's called Seaview, like. I tell you what, mind, some friendly people here, mind. Really friendly people. We've just come through. We're not sure what that town is, do you, Katie? But really friendly. So, as soon as people recognise our accent from the northeast, we'll all have a big crack with us, a bit chat. Really good fun. Pretty little church in there. So we are inland a little bit now. We've come off the coast, the path, and we're just heading inland. Come up a few hills, Katie, haven't we?
Yeah.
Come up a few little steepish hills. But it's okay. The roads are fairly quiet. As if you get a few cars going past and then you have nothing like this for a while. As you can see, very quiet. So it's all good. You all good still, Dan?
Still good.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, it's still good. So we've just come into the village or town of St Helens. And it looks like the cycleway is to the left here. Come all the way down from the north. And I've got the a miniature angel of the north here. That's great. Hello there, right?
You're right.
All right there. That is nuts. Still in St Helens, and we're heading along to Bembridge, isn't it, Katie? Bembridge? Bembridge we're heading towards. There's some brilliant houseboats here, mind. Look at these. Gone past quite a few as well. They're absolutely amazing. What we can see here. Yeah, look at the left hand side. Fantastic. Oh, now the bushes are the way. There we go, look at that. Oh, they're brilliant. Didn't go right in the middle of Bembridge, we're just on the outskirts. We turned round and then we'll come back. So we're heading down to Seaview now. As you see the sign here on the side. Nice little village actually we came through here. This is where we were talking to locals. Really nice people. Really nice guys they were. Having a bit chat with them.
This is Ferry Hill.
Ferry Hill, yeah, it's Ferry Hill, look. So we're heading down Ferry Hill, back down to the front again and then going towards Ryde. So we're riding a ride. So we're still coming through Seaview, very nice. Some lovely houses over my side here, look at these.
Look out right on
Look out right on the Solent, beautiful. We just met the same guy again, the old guy that we met when we came through here. We bumped into him again. Really nice guy, isn't he, Katie? Yeah, really nice guy.
Seaview.
What?
Self-proclaimed mayor of Seaview.
Yeah, he's the mayor, he's the Seaview, reckons. He's the local builder, I think. He does a lot of building around here, but he knows our area as well. He knows the northeast, he knows Northumberland. So I'm a good crack on with him. Decent bloke, really nice bloke. That's a nice little house. Look at that, Katie. That's lovely. Yeah, look at that view they've got, yeah. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And we're going back along the front again. So at the moment we are pushing our bikes along this little path here. Just to take in some of the sight along the coast here, look, because it's beautiful. Are you enjoying it, Katie?
Yeah, it's lovely. There's the pier that we cycled along.
Oh yes, yeah, that's a pier in the distance there. In the distance there, along pier we came off the ferry. Look at that. Look at that. How peaceful it is here as well. Lovely. And that water there is quite shallow as well. The tide's in now. I don't know if you can see there, but you can actually see the bottom of the sea there. It's very shallow over there. Very shallow. I've got to get the sunglasses on now, guys, because it's getting pretty bright and sunny. And it's still very warm, a little bit of a breeze though. You can see with the flags here. So we've got the bikes locked up here. First time I've actually locked the bikes up. We never usually lock the bikes up, but we're going to have a look around Ryde. So we've locked them up against a post here with a big chain. That should be okay. Shouldn't it, Katie? Should be alright.
Yeah,
Should be fine. So this is the end of the ride for the Isle of Wight. It's been absolutely brilliant, hasn't it? Been a really good ride, really enjoyed it. How far have we done?
About 12, 13 miles.
About 12, 13 miles. Kate's just checking on her watch there.
I'll see what will come up.
Yeah, about 12, 13 miles. It's been a good ride, hasn't it?
It's
It's been really good. A lot of it's flat, a lot of it's along the seafront, and then a couple of bits where it heads up into the hill, a little bit of hill here and there, a little bit of hilliness, but not too bad. And it's an absolutely beautiful place. So as you say here now behind us, this is Ryde. It's the town of Ryde, which we're going to check out now. But we're going to leave the bikes here, as I said, locked up. We've got a big thick chain around on a proper bike thing, so it should be alright. Should be good. So as always, thank you very much for joining us. And next time you see us on the bike, I should be back home, I think, back up the northeast. And we'll see you very soon. So take care, and it's goodbye from me.
Hi everybody, goodbye from me on the Isle of Wight.
Yeah, goodbye from Katie. Holiday Katie and John. Yeah, we're abroad. We're abroad at the moment. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.